Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're going to be doing a product review. So this video isn't sponsored, but this product was sent to me in PR. It is an eyebrow stamp and eyebrow stencil kit, and it comes with 2 spoolies. It's from iMethod Beauty. I got it off of, it's an Amazon-based brand. So they sent me the product. They want me to review it. So I'm here doing that for you. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on this particular product, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. Okay, so it is 7:45 in the morning. I know I sound exhausted. It's because I feel exhausted. I'm actually getting myself ready to go to school. I cleansed my face already, put my moisturizer on, and now we're going to do our brows because that's the first thing I do on my face. So this product comes with 2 spoolies, one so you can, I guess one for a backup and one so that you can use on your brows to lift your hairs up. And then it comes with 10 of these eyebrow stencils. So they look like this because they gave me 2 packs. So I already went in and measured which stencils would be right for my hair, for my eyebrows. So there's 4. One that's really like there, and then there's 3 other ones. So they have Party Style, Confidence, Classic, Heroine. You've got Nobility, Youthful, Shooting Star, Queen, Elegant, and Sexy. So out of the 10, the one that's closest to my brow shape that I like is Heroine, Party Style, Confident, and Classic. We're gonna go today with Heroine, which is this one. So I'm going to, it doesn't come with instructions. I mean, it says for you to find which one is the one that matches your eyebrow, and then it says you want to determine the position of where your brow's gonna start and stuff like that. It has like little lines on each one of these. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the stencil has like little lines and things like that in the front. And then this is where it says your brow ridge, and then this is your eyebrow tail. So it says that, and then it says you are gonna draw, you know, lift your brows up with the spoolie, obviously. And then you're going to, it comes with this stamp. So I got mine in the color 90. And then this is how it looks. And I guess you can keep stamping it. And then in the inside, this is where the product is. And then, like I said, this is the stamp. And it is a powder, so it will fade. But we're gonna start this off. I already brushed my brows up, and let's go ahead and we're going to measure the brow. So my brows, as you can see, this one is cut much shorter than where this one grows. So I always pull my brow more. So we're gonna go ahead, and that's probably about where I usually put it. So I'm gonna have my brow start here, and then just like this. And then I'm gonna hold the stencil, and then I'm going to start from the tail, because you want the tail of your brow to be the darkest. And you're just gonna go up. I know you guys can't see, but I'm trying my best. Short fingers. So So I'm putting most of the product in the back because that's where I like the darkness to be, and kind of fading it to the front. Now let's see. Oh, not bad. We're gonna do the other eye. So we're gonna flip this around, do the same thing. Ooh, I got eyelash glue on my eye. That was from yesterday. So I always, like I said, start a little bit in the front. I always kind of add a little bit because my brows are so short from me over plucking many years ago. And then I'm going to put some more product on here. And then we're going to start from the back. All right, my stencil moved a little bit. So we're going to concentrate the product in the back and then go forward. Oh, this one didn't come out like this one. And I think it's because the stencil moved. I'm going to wipe it off and try it again. Okay, we wiped off the brow. We're going to try it again. Put that stencil right where I want it. It's also because my fingers are so short. I want to make sure that you hold it exactly where you want it. It's the only thing with stencils, like I feel like it doesn't work for me. Like concentrating most of the product in the back and then moving forward. All right. Better. I definitely have to play with this more, but these don't look that bad. They're a little straighter than what I'm used to, but I'm going with the natural shape of my brow. Okay. I mean, I personally would go in and like kind of fix the tails a little bit with a pencil, just because I like mine elongated a little bit more. And then I, of course, darken up, fix the brows with some brow gel. So I'm actually going to throw some of the NYX brow glue on my brows. I'm definitely going to say that these don't look as natural as how I do my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and just kind of fix it. This is good for like people who really don't know the shape. I've been doing my brows for 4 years on my own, and I kind of know the shape that I like. And I always get complimented on my brows. So this is like the brow fixed a little bit. And then I like to draw some brow hairs in the front. Just so that it looks a little bit more natural. And I'm just going to draw some like hair-like strokes throughout so it looks like it's my brows and they blend a little bit better. So it doesn't look stencil-like. because right now that's what I'm feeling. So it's all about the details that you add to this. I mean, yeah, it's a really cool product. I don't necessarily know if I would like use it all the time. I'm just like I'm said, I'm just so used to drawing my brows my way. I will play with the stencils a little bit more, just to kind of see if I can get the feel of them. Because I feel like maybe because it's my first time actually playing with a product like this, I'm gonna go off camera, do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, hi guys. It is several hours later and I went to school, went to the supermarket. This is my face after it's about already 12.5 hours. My lipstick is already gone. So my thoughts on this product. So I have to play with the stencils more. I feel like using this stencil just kind of made my brows look really boxy and thick. Like I said, I'm going to try different stencils out to see. It's a cool product. I'm very particular about my brows. This was not my favorite look makeup wise and brow wise, just because I'm really weird about my brows. And for me, this looks like a fake brow. Like I try to make my brows look a little bit more natural, and today they do look like a fake brow. Do I think this is a bad product? No, I think it's good. I think it's like if you want to do something really quick and you don't want to spend about 15 minutes on your brows, then yes, this is for you. Absolutely. Like I said, I'm going to continue to play with it and see if I can get a rhythm to it. It's my first time trying it, but off of first impressions, it's a cool product. I probably need to get like a shade darker because I did need to go in with my eyebrow pen just to make more hair-like strokes so it looks a little bit more natural. But yeah. Thank you so much. That's going to finish this video off. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. And I'm going to take these contacts off. I'm going to take my makeup off because it's been a very long day. I just needed to let you guys know how I feel about this particular product. It is a good product. It comes with 20 stencils. It comes with the 2 spoolies. It comes with the actual brow stamp. And I think it's like $17 on Amazon. So it's not bad because there are other products out there that are twice that much. So if you are a lazy girl or you want to do quick brows, then definitely look this up. I think this is a really good product. Again, I'm going to play around with it and see from there. Thank you so much again. I appreciate all the love and the support. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. And yeah, again, I appreciate it, and I will see all you beauties in my next video.